What's up, guys? So we're back in action in Arizona. It was a crazy adventure getting here. We got the shop getting set back up here. So I'm not gonna give this bike away too soon. We're gonna do a video of getting the Tri-Zilla actually put back together and rolling. We did have this thing just about rolling in New York. We did tear it back down, wrap everything. We thought it was the safest way to move it here. So we got everything back to normal, and we're getting our builds going again. So crazy ride the last few weeks, getting the shop set back up, but it is what it is. So follow along as we get back rolling here. We want to get the content out for you guys. Thanks, guys. There it is, guys. Motor's installed. Always goes in easy when you take your time doing the swap. Make sure your motor mounts are set properly. You guys saw in the last video, I'll insert a clip. We actually cut the frame and rebuilt pretty much from here all the way up with new mounts and everything. So when you guys are installing motors, definitely a good idea to throw some tape on here. Don't want to get a scratch on this thing, that's for sure. Yeah, it looks good. Get the rear end on. We already got the swing arm fabricated, ready to go. Gotta install some bearings. RJ powder coated that, got that good to go. We're gonna get the pivot bearings installed and get it on the bike, get it on the ground. Time to get the rims and tires on. Rear end went on pretty smooth. Got our billet sprocket guard, brake stay with our disc guard, and we're now making anti-fades. So we got that one on this build. Powder coated the beadlock ring to match the frame. It's gonna look pretty cool. Whole work order unwrapping. Yeah, sits nice. Yeah, when your plastic goes 3,000 miles in a trailer, I guess you got to wrap it up, right?
Yeah, it's a little bit.
What do we got? American #1. You guys, so many eagles shooting off that. Let's see the eagle.
Come here, John. Let's see.
You guys see it. Don't be shy. Oh, don't be shy. Ready to make some parts today.
Oh yeah.
Oh man. Okay, so that's
Made
going.
in America.
Yep. Oh, it is.
I'm just a part-timer over here. I'm trying to be like my role model over here.
Yep.
Oh no. Oh look, you got your cowboy. You got your cowboy.
I want to be
boots
like
on?
him when I grow up.
Hey, you forgot your spurs and your cowboy boots.
Oh yeah.
No, where's the 10-gallon hat there, bud? Yeah.
Oh man. Cool.